This is the Japanese Cleancut ES412 shaver, which, as you can see, has a very unique shape, so that makes it really easy to use on all face and body areas, especially around curves or awkward areas. It's not just the shape that is important here, it's also the blades and workmanship. These are Japanese stainless steel blades which have been designed to produce a superior finish. They have been designed specially to cut stubble length hair to give you a completely smooth finish. Technically, what makes this a great shaver is firstly its motor, which runs at just the right speed to slowly pick up the hairs. Secondly, it's the way the blade and foil kit have been assembled, so that they gently remove the hairs without causing any irritation. Please note, this shaver will only cut short stubble length hairs. If you have longer hairs, you will need to trim them first using a trimmer like this one. So in essence, this is a finishing shaver, but once you have stubble, you only need this shaver to keep removing those short coarse hairs. One of the main benefits of the Cleancut is that it will not irritate your skin, so that means no shaving rash or ingrown hairs. It will also leave you with a very smooth finish. In addition, the Cleancut can be used anywhere on the face or body, on both men and women. In fact, this shaver has long been considered to be the best pubic shaver on the market. It's best to use the Cleancut only on clean, dry skin and in slow, circular motions. It operates with one C-cell battery, and replacement blades can also be purchased. Remember to oil the blades, and that will keep them working to the best of their ability.